September 29th. Card opening. Another overly warm day. I've sweated several times, which is what it is, I guess. Here are all the packs. Retail Hobby Heritage. I don't know if I broke a fever or it's just hot, but every time I go outside and clean out the garage, playing basketball, playing soccer, it's just sweaty. I think it just may be warm. Let's see if we can get anything happening here. Put the insert down. I don't think we got a single rookie either. That's rough. That's rough. Brandon Lowe, New Age Performers, best card. That is rough. Heritage definitely is feast or famine. I feasted fairly well on it though. Anyway, down the Ginter. Pulled the auto yesterday. Buster, Jazz Chisholm, Swanson, Mayhew, Molina, Delgado. That's a Max Muncy, I believe. That's a Cody Bellinger. And the mini and Bobcat. So if you want to get the Diamondbacks autograph, 4th inning. Kelly, there's Karen, Major Scale, Wander Franco, Richardson, Garrett Mitchell, Bishop, and Bobby Miller. Nothing too exciting there. Chrome, this is from a light box. So you're missing the 2 autos and you are promised a unique variation. Ferris and Raccoon. It's a nice photo. Here's a refractor. I do backflip over. Prism quick pitch. I saw something moving the woods off to the side. The cat did too, but now I can't see it anymore. We haven't had the bears come by since it was early spring. I guess late spring, really. Esteval Flores, Randy Azarina, Eloy Jimenez, Kirk, Brandon Lowe, and finally the last quick pitch. Receiver, Albert Pujols, red, 149. It's a nice looking card. Chris Bryant, Josh Fleming, and Shane Bieber. Favorite card of the day? I probably like the Pujols. I think that variation looks pretty good. But this is probably the best card of the pull there. If he comes back strong next year. Anyway, that's all for card opening today. Y'all take care.